Kani khubor laitkam na kabanta kapos BSF Recruitment 2024 jengis SI but junior engineer ka post kanlong arli ki post te tomatangin ya pule ya gani ka notification. So BSF Recruitment 2024 notification for SI and junior engineer vacancy. Online applications are invited for the eligible and interested male and female Indian citizens for filling up the posts of sub-inspector works and junior engineer and sub-inspector electrical in Group B, combatants, non-gazette, non-ministerial posts in the border security force. Engineering set up through online mode only for vacancy year 2024. The online application deadline is 15th of April 2024. So, la pentip shepi ba kapus jong KBSF SI but junior engineer kan de at ki post but la khot application nak banta kan the bat sanrang jong ai kinong shnong jong kari India but kalas date ka ba pila ban apply online ya kini ki post kan de khatsan tarik ubnai April ajar arpsau ki post kilong kum neharum kaban kong post name sub inspector works number of post khatlai tili ki post lene 13 unreserved 7 posts EWS 0 posts OBC 2 posts SC 3 posts ST 1 post age limit not exceeding 30 years as on closing date of receipt of online application. The age relaxation is up to 3 years for OBC or ex-servicemen and 5 years for ST/SC candidates. Salary pay matrix level 6 35,400 to 1,12,400 as per 7 CPC. Essential qualification: pass 3 years diploma in civil engineering from an institute recognized by the central or state government. Number 2, post name junior engineer or sub-inspector electrical. Number of post 9, unreserved 5, EWS 1, OBC 2, SC 0, ST 1. Age limit not exceeding 30 years as on the closing date of receipt of online application. The upper age limit for OBC is 3 years and ex-servicemen and 5 years for SC/ST candidates. Salary pay matric level 6 35,400 to 1,12,400 as per 7 CPC. Essential qualification: pass 3 years diploma in electrical engineering and an institute recognized by the central or state government. Jeprolog marok kini gidi kita kipus nak ki sub inspector kabade khalai chili kipus nak ki ST kade tang iwe te phila ban apply ya gani ka post but ka relaxation kan de hadu sans nem but karta kan de kamde ban tam ya kalai post nem hadu ka tarik ka ba online ya kani ka post but ka jingsiu kan de live san hajar hadu chilak khatar hajar sauspa nangta ka qualification phi de ban pass ya ka diploma in engineering na ki institute ba pher jong kari India lane jong ka state but kapus ba ar ka de na ki junior engineer kaneru na kumta ki ST ka de tang kawi kapus but ka age limit kan de life post name but ka salary ru kan de hi life san hajar hadu chilak khatar hajar but ka essential qualification ru kan de hi ka diploma in electrical engineering from any institute from central or state government. Okay, te mentang ini page kumno ban apply ya kini ki post jong ka BSF jong ki SI but junior engineer. The application by the candidates noise be submitted through online mode only. No matter mode, no other mode for submission of application will be accepted. The facility for submission of online application will be open on the BSF website, that is https dot bsf.gov.in on or 17th of March 2024 at 1 a.m. and will be closed on 15th of April 2024 at 23:59 p.m. So please apply online for BSF Recruitment 2024 for SI Junior Engineer. Direct link will be given on the description box. Application fee. Candidates are to pay 200 as examination fee plus 47.20 service charges level by Common Service Center or CSC through the following payment modes: net banking or any bank, credit, debit card of any bank, or nearest authorized common service centers. So for females candidates, all categories and candidates belonging to scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, BSF serving personnel, and ex-servicemen are exempted for payment of the examination fee. So nam taki female candidate badnya badai ki scheduled caste lane scheduled tribe, but kumjuru badai ki ex-servicemen anum don kam ya ka examination fee. So applicant are advised to go to the BSF Recruitment 2024 SI Junior Engineer Official Notification. So ya ka link ngan sabu hapo ka description box pila ban apply nang ba kani ka link kabangan sabu shapi hapo ka description box. Kublay shibon.